In April 2023, Blake Lively sent Taylor Swift a text saying she needed help with this doofus director, Justin Baldoni. Can you tell him you're excited for the movie, Lively asked, saying an endorsement from the greatest living storyteller will go such a long way. The newly unsealed message shows Swift replied, "I'll do anything for you." Months later, the messages show a distance. "I felt like a bad friend lately," Lively texted. "I was such a sad sack who only talked about my own expletive for months." Swift wrote back, "You're not wrong," telling Lively she felt a little bit of a shift in the way you talk to me. The message continued, "There has been a lot of the Justin stuff. I just kind of miss my funny, dark, normal-speaking friend." The next day, Swift sent Lively a link to a People magazine article about Baldoni, saying, "I think this expletive knows something is coming because he's gotten out his tiny violin." Weeks later, Lively filed her lawsuit against Baldoni, alleging sexual harassment and retaliation, accusing him of making inappropriate comments, touching her inappropriately during the filming of It Ends With Us, and launching a smear campaign against her. Swift texted Lively a link to a story about Baldoni being dropped from his talent agency. "You won. You did it," Swift wrote. "Never has a cancellation been reversed so fast." Lively responded, "I would not be okay through any of this if it weren't for you." Baldoni denied Lively's claims. His countersuit was dismissed, but his attorney said the evidence does not support the claims as a matter of law, and the newly unsealed messages make the truth abundantly clear.
It actually gets worse.
Shortly before It Ends With Us premiered, Lively and her husband, Ryan Reynolds, asked some of their A-list friends to screen it, hoping they would endorse Lively's changes to the film. Her text to Matt Damon read, "This movie nearly killed me," and said Baldoni has no taste and an enormous ego. To Ben Affleck, Lively wrote, "I've just come out the other side of the most upsetting experience I've ever had on a movie. I ended up rewriting and restructuring the entire script." She asked for his feedback and told him Matt Damon agreed to watch it. "Can you believe," Lively wrote, "Jason Bourne is watching my movie." All of these messages are part of today's court arguments. Baldoni's attorneys are asking the judge to decide the case before it goes to trial. Lively's lawyers say they still want a jury to hear the evidence and decide the case. For the moment, trial is scheduled for May.
It's scheduled for May. We'll see what happens then. All right, Aaron. Good job. Thank you.